In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and resize container columns in Card. We'll walk through this step by step inside the Card editor, so you can follow along with your own site. By the end, you'll know how to add a container, turn it into a column layout, and adjust the width of each column so your design looks exactly the way you want. First, open your Card project in the editor. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right area of the screen. You'll see a small plus icon, which is how you add new elements to your page. Go ahead and click that plus icon. A drop-down menu will appear with a list of different elements you can add. From that list, choose Container. As soon as you select it, a new container element will appear on your canvas. It might show up in the middle or wherever Card decides to place it by default. Don't worry about the exact position just yet. You can rearrange this container anywhere on your page, simply by clicking and dragging it to the spot where you want it to sit. Take a moment to drag and drop it into a rough position that makes sense for your layout. You can always fine-tune its placement later. Next, let's turn this container into a set of columns. Click on the container you just added to make sure it's selected. When it's selected, you'll see its settings appear in the left-hand panel. At the top of that panel, there are different icons for different groups of settings. Look for the small rectangle icon in the top left corner of that panel. This represents the container settings. Click that rectangle icon to switch into the container panel. Inside this panel, find the option labeled Type. Right below that label, there's a drop-down field. Click on the drop-down, and from the options that appear, select Column. Once you change the type to column, Card will automatically convert your container into a column layout, and new settings related to columns will appear. Now that your container is set as a column type, you'll see additional controls that let you customize how those columns behave. Among these settings, look for the controls that let you adjust the size of the left and right columns. Typically, this is shown as a percentage. Decide which column you want to resize, left or right, and then change its percentage value. As you adjust the percentage, you'll see the columns on your canvas update in real time, becoming wider or narrower. Keep tweaking these values until the proportions feel balanced and suit your content. This way you have full control over how much space each column takes up on your Card site.